Here's how you can make qatayef. It's a popular dessert in Palestine during Ramadan and it's kind of reminding me of a pizza pocket and a cannoli. It's basically a pancake filled with the cream and cheese filling that's then deep fried and soaked in a simple syrup.
So I can't even eat this right now because I'm fasting, so I gotta wait until after sunset, but let's see how they make it.
To make the pancake batter, they'll combine AP flour, semolina flour, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla, yeast, and sugar, and mix it with water. It's then cooked on a flat top but only on one side. To make the filling, also known as qishta, it's a mix between milk, cream, vanilla, and clarified butter that's then mixed with ricotta.
A lot of people from front of their houses, they take tables outside, grills like this, they make the mix and they sell it to the neighbors.
Alright, so like everyone does it.
Everyone.
Yeah, that's cool. Is it more popular than kunafa?
In Ramadan, yes. Yeah. When you see Ramadan, just right away, a picture in your mind, this.
After the pancakes are filled and closed shut, they are deep fried for about 10 minutes and then soaked in a simple syrup and garnished with pistachios. That's pretty much it.
Alright, it's sunset. Let's see how this tastes. It's just a sweet soaked pancake with a nice cheese filling. It's not overpoweringly sweet. The only thing sweet really is the syrup. I would have to give this a solid 8.9 out of 10. Kunafa is like a 9.6 for me, like it's really up there, but this is definitely up there too.